Do you need to send the same WhatsApp message to multiple people without creating a group? Here's the fastest way to do it. If you're sending party invitations, sharing some news with multiple contacts, or something else, then I'm going to show you how you can send those messages to multiple people without creating a group. The process is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. So if you're an Android user, you can follow my steps also. The very first step that we need to do is to open our WhatsApp application and then hop over to the Chats section. The next step is to tap on the little plus option in order to create a new chat. And in my case, that button is located at the top right corner of my screen. This is going to open a new window where you'll have all of these options, but our job is to tap on this new broadcast option, which will allow us to send a message to multiple contacts without creating the group. So select the people to which you want to send that message, then you're going to tap on Create at the top right. And this will open a new broadcast chat where you can type and send that message that you want. The message will be sent to all the people which you had selected, but it will not create a group chat. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.